Here is how you land your first Discord moderator job. If you don't know who I am, my name's Matt, and I've been making money with Discord moderation for more than 4 years now. These are the tips I would give to someone who wants to do the same as I have. Firstly, you want to make sure to have a professional looking Discord account. You want to have a nice profile picture and a short and simple bio. Next, make sure to get to know everything there is to know about Discord servers. This would include adding bots to servers, managing channels, setting up events, and of course managing the community's chat. If you have done all that, now you are ready to get your first Discord moderator job. I would recommend focusing on NFT servers, as there are many new ones popping up every week, and they are always looking for a team of moderators. The best way to find these new NFT projects is to go on Twitter and look up either the word Solana or just NFT. Then just look for new projects. You have to be quick because there are thousands of mods trying to land these jobs. As soon as you join their Discord, just open up a support ticket or message the owner or a head admin directly and tell them what you are offering. Make sure to make it look professional. Don't just dive in their DMs saying, "Can I please be a moderator?" Usually these jobs pay anywhere from $50 a week up to $200 a week, depending on the size of the project. And you can easily apply to multiple jobs at the same time, so this can earn you a nice income if done right. If you follow all these steps I mentioned in the video, you will land a moderator job rather quickly. If you need any more help, let me know in the comments, and also check the description for all my other social media pages.